What's happening, Crypto Farm? Happy Thursday. Good morning and welcome back to Love for Crypto. I'm Scott. It's a pleasure to have you here. I appreciate you taking the time out to consume the content, so thank you. This morning, back on Cardano, back on ADA. Partnered with a Rwanda-based firm, a charity platform, and the attention, the demand for ADA and Cardano is increasing. So a Rwanda-based NGO, non-government organization, I believe, partners with Cardano Foundation to launch ADA crypto charity platform. Save the Children in Rwanda recently became the latest member of the NGO community to endorse cryptocurrencies after it announced the establishment of a partnership agreement with the Cardano Foundation. ADA donations, baby. What? According to a statement released by parties to the project, this arrangement became possible after Cardano installed a payment gateway that allows ADA donations to come directly to the project without intermediaries. Once received, the funds will be invested in African-based social enterprises with a proven impact on children, families, or youth. Already some 22,000 ADA worth nearly $30,000 has been donated through the system within hours of its launch. According to the statement, meanwhile, Maggie Cord, Save the Children's country director in Rwanda, is quoted explaining how crypto and blockchain technology can help school children from the country. She said, through Cardano, Save the Children in Rwanda now has started a pot of cryptocurrency, ADA, which we can deploy to projects for children. But there are also countless possibilities through blockchain to firstly directly impact children's lives through initiatives such as digital school record, and secondly to increase our efficiency and transparency as an organisation. It's interesting that, innit, because they can receive ADA for charity to reinvest in the children of Africa, and they couldn't reinvest or invest 100% of it, but they could also only invest 80% and put 20% staked. So eventually they start getting rewards from the donation. The donations get staked and rewards keep coming. Passive income from donations then. There's constant influx of new revenue and income to support the children of Africa. So this is a new path for Save the Children. Similarly, Ettore Rosetta, a senior advisor at Save the Children, who applauds the partnership, which has brought another exciting new path for the organisation. She also discusses other solutions that are made possible by blockchain technology. She said, beyond cryptocurrency contributions, what if blockchain technology could be used to make supply chains more efficient, transactions more transparent, and end world poverty through decentralized universal basic income as a form of unconditional cash vouchers? That would be a dream worth holding on to. I mean, this is trickling out now, isn't it, guys? This is full on trickling out. We're seeing everyone mention the universal basic income. We're seeing everyone mention supply chains and all the rest of it, making databases more transparent. Peeps are getting on it, man. Founded more than 100 years ago, Save the Children says it has now reached more than 1 billion children. Save the Children also claimed to have been the first global NGO to endorse cryptocurrencies when it accepted Bitcoin donations from well-wishers. These donations were used to fund the response to Typhoon Haiyan that struck the Northeast Asia in 2013. The rise of crypto donations. Besides Save the Children, other NGOs that have received donations in digital currency include GiveWell, which started accepting crypto donations in December 2017, another NGO, India's Crypto COVID Relief Fund, is reported to have recently received Shiba Inu tokens worth millions of dollars from Vitalik Buterin. Other bodies like UNICEF are accepting crypto donations because these provide an unprecedented level of transparency in the funding and NGO space. An unprecedented level of transparency. You know this. In addition to its embrace of cryptocurrency, Save the Children in Rwanda is also involved in efforts to bring together innovation and impact investment across Africa via a recently launched Kumwe Hub. Under this initiative, projects such as academic records for children crossing borders, digital IDs for refugees, and lending mechanisms for financially excluded are all in the pipeline to pilot through the project. That's some good stuff. It's some good stuff. It's Cardano. It's expansion. It's progression. It's adoption, maturity, whatever terminology you want to use. And the demand continues to rise. So the demand is rising amongst retail and institutional investors. Recently, both institutional and retail investors have shown an increasing interest in Cardano. It's fast becoming the kind of choice for investors who are in crypto for the long term. Good news trots behind the coin as Cardano released a roadmap for the Alonzo hard fork that is scheduled to take place in the second quarter of the year. Staking volumes have increased tremendously as the hard fork draws near, and so far there's been over $31 billion worth of ADA staked ahead of the hard fork. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain and thus requires less energy to mine than other top coins in the market. The energy footprint of Cardano is negligible. In this regard, and thus individuals and institutions who are worried about the minting footprint and that the mining coins of Bitcoin and Ethereum leaves seems to find a safe haven in this coin. Cardano boasts of the highest number of staked coins ahead of Ethereum, with over 70% of the entirety of ADA supply currently staked. 70% of the supply currently staked. What happens if 100% gets staked? You go to issued currencies. Go to issued currencies and shit. We got this. We got this. Institutional investment in Cardano. Cardano has so far drawn in over 24 million in institutional investments. Data shows that Cardano investment funds have attracted more investment funds than most other digital assets in the crypto space. With Bitcoin and Ethereum leading the charge of where institutional investors choose to empty their pockets, the interest in the coin from institutional investors comes with the rising of popularity of Cardano amongst retail investors. The project's coin, which is named ADA, is currently ranked as number 5 in the crypto space. Grayscale, a known leader of crypto investors, announced earlier that they had included Cardano in their crypto trusts. The coin became the investment firm's third largest crypto holding, making up about 4.26% of their crypto holdings. And like we covered the other week, it's actually beat out Bitcoin to be the most held crypto on eToro now as well. So the popular crypto exchange earlier in the month released stats that show Cardano's coin ADA has become the most held coin on the exchange, beating out Bitcoin and Ethereum to claim top spot on the exchange. Oh, dear me. Excuse me, yonage. This showed a 51% increase in the amount of ADA being held on the exchange by users, pushing top coin Bitcoin from first place to second place. The increase was attributed to the increased growth and use case potential of Cardano's coin ADA. And this had clearly provided plenty of attraction and motivation for investors to move into the project. A lot of this is attributed to investors searching for the next Bitcoin. This search has led to more interest in smaller and cheaper coins like ADA. Now you can tell, people chasing the Bitcoin, let's get rich quick shit, they will just buy something on an exchange and fucking leave it and be like, yeah, I own some of that, it's on eToro. It's on Robinhood, mate. It's on Robinhood, mate. My crypto's on Robinhood, mate. But you know what I mean? They'll leave it on on the exchanges, or just not unstaked. People in for the long run, looking to get passive income, looking to get rewards, are staking. It's all about building that pot, getting rewards big enough to live off the rewards. It's not about building a pot on an exchange and then selling it all when it's worth a certain amount anymore. That's not what it's about. That doesn't mean to say, listen, that doesn't mean to say a new coin's not going to come about next week. You're not going to put 100, you're going to put 100 quid on it and it absolutely fucking moons. And I mean absolutely fucking moons to where you $1 or $1,000, whatever you put in, is then worth a couple of million. You're going to fucking start cashing out and dispersing it into other shit. But even then, I'd highly suggest, if that happened and you got $1 million off another coin, I'd highly suggest you just take 250k or 300k, whatever you need to live ridiculously comfort for the next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years, and put the rest in ADA and just let the rewards grow and grow and grow. Can't stress this enough. If you used to put enough money into ADA, you would already be living off ADA. If you'd have put enough money in ADA, you'd already be living off ADA. And that's true. That can be said for a lot of them. Not just ADA, it can be said for a lot of them. But how many of the others could you say, yeah, but you're not touching your pot and you're still living off it? The staking protocols are the fucking future of maintaining value. Yeah? Sustained value. Passive income on top of it. It's just a no-brainer for me. And then all the way to the generational wealth and the legacy, the fact that you can just leave some private keys to your next of kin and then they've got access to it straight away. Fuck you, tax man. Get fucked with your inheritance tax. You're not doing it anymore, mate. You're not fucking doing it to my family. No. And I'll fight it all the way. Whatever fucking court we have to go to, change that law. Get rid of inheritance tax, because no fucker wants it. Except the rich bastards, for some reason. They know the ways around it. I don't know anyone who agrees with or wants inheritance tax. We live in a democracy. That suggests to me that it should be removed. Just remove it. No one wants it. Remove it. No one wants murder, so it's illegal. No one wants rape, so it's illegal. Yeah? No one wants inheritance tax. It should be fucking illegal. And on that note, it is a no-brainer, guys. A no fucking brainer. Feed the beast till the beast feeds you. It's just, I can't put it any simpler. Feed the motherfucking beast. And eventually it's going to turn around and be like, bruh, I'm giving you $5,000 a month in rewards. It's like, chill. You got this, chill. Some people only need $2,000 a month. Some people only need $3,000 a month. Some people want $10,000 a month. It doesn't matter. Just keep feeding that motherfucking beast until that's what you're seeing coming out in the rewards, and then you're done. You're good. You're good. Well done. This is why sometimes you have to just let the little knobheads go, because you know you're on such a sure thing. If you just keep feeding it, it will eventually turn around and be like, look, I'm ready to pay for the life you want. There's your rewards at this value. We're laughing. And it doesn't mean to say it won't dip occasionally and you'll be like, oh, not spending the world, I'll just read. You never know. You never know. Time will tell. So invest in yourself. Invest in the internet of value. Live long and hodl it all. And potentially never let it go. You know, the shit changes. Plans change. Just make sure you're on a path to health and happiness, guys. We need to be generally feeling healthier. Now, old age fitness is a little different. Health, wealth, and happiness can be maintained until death. Dying of old age. If a person dies of old age who's healthy. You get that? Yeah. Health, wealth, happiness. Invest in yourself. IOV. Enjoy the rest of your week. Yeah. Wishing health and happiness to you and yours. We love crypto. We love Ada. And we love you. So take care of yourself, mate. See you on the next one. Peace.